Yeah, oh, ice? This one here. Just,
Oh, okay.
yeah. You got it?
Ice.
All right. Guy needs ice. Everyone needs ice, right? All right, I think I'm gonna go for 2-piece original with some mashed potato, coleslaw. Why the hell not? I'm gonna get a cheesecake as well. Or maybe I'll do the 3-piece. Hey.
Yeah, ask for the bag.
Can I get a 3-piece combo, please? Thank you very much. When I first arrived in New York, I was working at a Michelin-rated restaurant in Manhattan called Public. And on my one day off, I would come to this location in South Slope, KFC. This is my guilty pleasure.
I was tempted by your smile. I was tempted, and for a little while.
Some of you may not know this, but KFC is actually considered a delicacy in New Zealand. It truly is a beloved establishment. And over the years, I've created my own blend of herbs and spices that I think rivals the Colonel's original recipe. It's a buttermilk marinated, extra crispy fried chicken served with a gorgeous truffled honey. And I've got a very special secret ingredient of my own that I'm going to share with you. First, let's talk about the bird. I prefer bone-in dark meat with skin removed. The more bone-in, the more flavor and juicy the meat tends to be. I also recommend removing the tendons from the ankle. It allows the meat to shrink down the bone and become super tender. Submerge your chicken in 1 quart of buttermilk. I've got here 4 thighs and 4 drumsticks. The lactic acid in the buttermilk is actually going to break down some of the connective tissue and tenderize the protein. Add your aromats, 3 sprigs each of rosemary, thyme, 3 cloves of crushed garlic. Marinate in your fridge for 6 to 24 hours. To make your seasoned flour, start with 4 cups all-purpose flour and 1 cup of wheat dextrin. If you've never heard of wheat dextrin, it is a bit of a trade secret ingredient. It's a nutrient already found in wheat flour, and it's going to give your fried chicken next level crunchiness. Next, add 1 tablespoon each ground cumin, black pepper, white pepper, kosher salt, sea salt, and then 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, ground clove, dry tablespoon each ground cumin, black pepper, white pepper, 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, 1 teaspoon each of... And finally, our secret ingredient, Horopito. It's a pepper tree native to New Zealand, traditionally used by the Maori for medicinal purposes. It has flavors of peppercorn, bay leaf, and anise. Honestly though, Horopito is near impossible to get here in the States. So you can substitute with a Mexican pepper leaf called hoja santa, which has a similar flavor profile and complexity. Now take your marinated chicken and dredge it in the seasoned flour. Press the flour into the chicken for maximum absorption. In a heavy based pot, deep fry your chicken in 2 quarts of peanut oil heated to 340 degrees. Be sure not to overcrowd your pot by cooking no more than 6 pieces at a time. And as a wise man once told me, never a frown if it's golden brown. After about 10 minutes, your chicken should be done and read 165 degrees internally. We want to bring these birds down from the heavens really carefully, resting in a 200 degree oven for 10 minutes. To make the truffle honey sauce, combine 1/4 cup of clover honey, with 3 tablespoons of truffle oil, 1 tablespoon champagne vinegar, and black pepper. Whisk till combined. Finish the dish with a sprinkle of kosher salt. And guys, don't be shy with the truffled honey. Winner, winner. Since I'm feeling jovial, we're going to have a cheesecake as well.
I don't think they have cheesecake.
Oh, me, they don't have cheesecake?